So let me start this device, how it's look like and how it's work like. Okay, first we need to go for the option like Maxisys, click on that, and we need to go for the diagnostics, service, ADAS and measurements. Totally we are having 4 options. In these 4 options we can work very easily for any German cars and any other brands also. So let me start with one of the vehicle that is called as Audi. So I want to show everything in the demo version, so I will click on this demo. First I will going to select for Audi vehicle, click on standalone. Okay, so using this system we are having multiple options like automatic selection, manual selection and control units. So you can select any one of the option what we are having everything. So if you don't know anything means no problem, you can select manual also, or else if you can select for automatic also, everything is available. I am selecting on automatic selection, click on read VIN number. So it detected my VIN number, so this is my VIN number of a vehicle. You can access very easily. Now click on OK. Now it shows multiple options. Right now you can select either vehicle type, vehicle model, year and the model type also. It's the model type is 2018 Audi A4 7. I need to select for the engine 3 liter 2000 kilowatt. Here if you click on OK means it will open the topology of a vehicle. So the topology of the vehicle is nothing but how much models we are having in the vehicle, that will open everything in the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of a Audi A4, which is having ECU, AC, TCM. Next we are having dashboard also, we are having airbag module, we are having gateway module and rest of the modules we are having. So let's see everything one by one. So if you want to scan the complete vehicle in the single time means just click on fault code scan. Now it's going to scan everything one by one. So in this vehicle right now it comes with 3 fault codes. If you want to see the fault codes means click on report. Here it shows the total 2 fault code in the engine management, 1 fault code in the transmission. So in this report you can see clearly this engine management is having one of the fault code that is called P0301. It's a cylinder misfire detection, and P130A. This is also one more fault code what we are having. And in transmission we are having oil pressure reservoir pressureless. We are having total 3 fault codes. I'm going back. If you want to erase this fault code means we are having option like quick erase is also given. Click on this quick erase. Now it's clearing 1 fault code from the ECU, 2 fault code from ECU and 1 fault code from transmission. By this way we can clear the fault code of a vehicle. Now reading and clearing fault code is not my main topic. What is the main advantage of Ultra? That is what our main job. So now I'm entering for the ECU, engine management, that is called engine control module. Click on that arrow mark. Now in 508 608 what we are having a dashboard of engine management, the same dashboard what we are having here also. The main points are read ECU information, create trouble code. Next after that we are having live data, actual testing and adaptation functions. Apart from that coding also they given. This is the main advantage of a Ultra. So if you click on this ECU information means that's the same dashboard what we are having in 508 608 and this Ultra also. And trouble code, obviously you know, read fault code, clear fault code, that's the main 2 topics what we are having in Ultra also, 600 also. But in Ultra we are having intelligent diagnosis. So in this intelligent diagnosis if you enter here means you will get options like technical, service bulletin also they given, and don't work using auto codes. Directly you will get a service description and possible causes also, you will get it here only. Apart from that your repair assist is also given. You need not to take anyone help, you can work by yourself. That's the option they given in this repair assist also. And there is some few of the graphs they given in this Ultra also. Based on the graphs you can check this cylinder 1 misfiring, whether it's the misfiring is coming or not, that also you can verify by this single dashboard. That's the great option they given in intelligent diagnosis. No one in the entire world we are not having a single dashboard like this. The intelligent diagnosis it covers, I will tell one more time, you need not to search any technical document, that also they given here only. You need not to use auto codes also, that also they given here only. You need not to ask someone also. That repair assist is also given here only. You don't know how the waveforms are coming in the cylinder number 1, whether the firing is coming properly or not, whether the time gap between the first pulse and the second pulse is it correct or not in the particular RPM. Everything they given here only. So everything what I am showing is in demo mode. If the tool is activated means you can explore all this complete option within the license period. So if the license is expired means this all options will be not available for us. Only you can do just diagnostic and clear fault code, read fault code, that much only works. That's why license is very most important in this Ultra. So this is all about the complete information about only trouble codes. Next, live data. Obviously you know the live data for all the module, all parameters we are having live data. The same thing here also. Click on all parameters and here are the all the values they given comes here only. It's very easy to work. It's not a pain job. Now I'm going back and you are having one more option that is called as anti-theft immobilizer system. In this anti-theft immobilizer system also it will show you that how many keys are coded for the vehicle. But this tool is mainly using for diagnostics. This also supports key programming. That all key programming that you can done in via OBD mode only. That please be in the mind. In 608 you can do key programming on bench method also and via OBD method also. But this Ultra only OBD method. So that's all about this live data. We are having only 2 options. Next, active test. In this active test click OK. So totally we are having 3 type of actual testings that's available in this Ultra actually. Next, coming for the adaptation. In this adaptation, if you replace any timing change vehicle also means that you can reset the vehicle also. By using this all options, it's very easy to do the adaptation of a vehicle. Now coming for the basic settings, those are the same adaptation what they given, that is the same things they given, but given one more option that is called oxygen sensor bank 1. So that also you can do calibrations, everything that you can also make it as a reset also. Click on start, the basic settings indicated. So test of oxygen sensor bank 1 delta lambda not active. Click on stop, the basic setting start, it's ended. Now I will go for the advanced ID. So if you click on this advanced ID means it will go and show you the VIN number of a vehicle history data also that will going to show, and the version of a software module also it will show. The advanced ID only it comes with 3 options. One is VIN number, vehicle history data and version of a software module. First click on this vehicle information, same VIN number. Going back, vehicle history data. So this is what the history data of a vehicle and the software version of a module. This is all the complete software version what we are having in the, and the bootloader, everything they given in the software version. And this is our security access. So I already cracked the security access. Based on that security access only I am having this entire dashboard topology. If you want to see this entire dashboard topology means I will just click on OK. You can see this, the dashboard one more time. This is the dashboard of a secure login. So previously I explaining on ECU management only. I am going one more back for the engine control module. So here you got an idea about the security access. Now if you want to replace the ECU in this vehicle means it's very easy. This is called the online coding. Online coding means it's very easy job. So what we are having a current value, just copy this value and just dump to the new value by replacing with the new ECU. So this is the long coding of a vehicle. This is very most important. If you make a small mistake in entire data means vehicle data will be crashed immediately. So that's why always please be careful for doing any work. Please take a screenshot. It's very most important. To take a screenshot, you will get a save button in the top of a window. Take a screenshot. By this way you can save the data as an Audi A4 ECM coding value. If you save the file like this means it's very most important to access all the database in the vehicle. So if you replace with a new ECU means no problem, just disconnect the old one and plug it with new one, and after that plugging of new one just enter the same data like this, and after that click OK. Do you need to reset the control unit? Yes. the control unit has been recorded. That's all. So if you want to replace the ECU also, it's very most important job, but in Ultra, 1 minute. So this is the entire process of a Ultra. Next, if you go for the subcoding system, one more option they given, that is called subcoding system. Enter for the subcoding system. The function is not supported, let it believe it. I just want coding, I don't want subcoding at all. Next, go for the security login. This security login, I think the same thing only, which is going to access for the engine management, adaptations, secure login 1, login OK. So it's already login, this function is not required. Next, if you want to see the wiring diagram for the few vehicle, guided function is given. Click on this guided function. Read and erase event memory. Now here are the list of components what they given. You can do all the sensors and actuators connections by using these diagrams only, but they just showed as a block diagram in this vehicle. But if you want to see all the parts, means they with the name they clearly mentioned here only. So total it comes with 34 components in the entire engine management. So this all the information about this product. If you want to see in the main screen, means this is the ECU, and we are having rest of the parts what they given in the hardware, number 1 to number 34. So this much modules what we are having in the vehicle. So I am going back. So this all about the information about only engine management. If you want to see this same dashboard for transmission, means how it's look like, shall I enter? Now I need to access for the transmission. Click on next.